Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Inspect O-rings and cassette alignment so the seal will form properly. Once done, confirm the roughing pump is online and open the roughing valve to bring pressure down to the specified set point. This prevents contamination and thermal shock. Make sure transfer arm is in safe position, interlocks are satisfied, and purge gas lines read nominal pressure. These checks prevent misloads and protect wafers during the first transfer. You continue by executing the core pump down and transfer steps, and you must control the rate to avoid damage. Start staged evacuation, roughing to about 10 torr, then engage the turbo to reach 1E3 torr or system spec. This avoids backstreaming and chamber stress. Once at vacuum, purge cycles with N2 reduce particulates, monitor leak rate and pressure stability. Carefully actuate the transfer arm, using slow, deliberate moves and respect force and position limits, so the wafer seats correctly and tool. You finish by safely returning the load lock to atmospheric and removing the wafer. Backfill slowly with filtered N2 to the manufacturer pressure spec. Sequenced vent valves prevent turbulence that can dislodge particles. Once the interlocks indicate safe, home the transfer arm and extract the cassette. If something goes wrong, like failed seal or high leak rate, stop, do a controlled vent, inspect O-rings and flange faces for debris. Repeat a helium or vacuum leak check, and only resume after resolving the root cause to protect wafers and system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.